In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature in Zendesk. Whether you're new to Zendesk or just want to personalize your communications, setting up a custom signature is a simple yet effective way to make your messages stand out. Let's dive right in and walk you through the process, step by step, so you can have your signature ready to go in no time. First, you'll need to access your Zendesk account. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find your user icon, typically represented by either your profile picture or initials. Go ahead and click on this icon. After doing so, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select the option that says View Profile. This will take you to your personal profile settings, where all the magic happens. Now, direct your attention to the left sidebar of your profile page. You'll notice various fields and options available, but our primary focus here is on the signature box. Think of this box as your canvas for personal expression. Not only can you jot down your name and title, but you can also make it more dynamic with placeholders. For example, you might want to include placeholders like /agent.email, which will automatically update to reflect your email address in each message. Take some time to craft a signature that represents you well. It might be tempting to rush this part, but remember, this is your digital handshake. While it's common to use plain text for simplicity and clarity, feel free to add professional touches, such as your job title, company tagline, or preferred pronouns, if relevant. These small details can certainly leave a lasting impression. Once you're satisfied with what you've entered into the signature box, there's just one more thing to do. It's always a good practice to double-check your work. When you're ready, navigate to the bottom of the page to see the Save button. If Zendesk prompts you to save your changes, ensure you do so. This will lock in your signature setup and integrate it into your outgoing communications. However, keep in mind that sometimes Zendesk automatically saves these changes, so don't worry if you don't see a Save button appear. Now, let's talk about when and where your signature will pop up. Your personalized signature will automatically be included in any outbound emails and in public ticket comments. However, there's a small caveat to note. This feature is contingent upon permissions set by your account admin. They need to allow personalization for these changes to take effect. If things aren't working as expected, checking with your admin might be the next logical step. And there you have it. Personalizing your Zendesk signature is that simple. This small touch can enhance your professional correspondence and provide a consistent message to anyone who interacts with you. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.